Your hair might be losing its shine, breaking easily, or thinning faster than before, and the reason may be hidden in your daily routine. Today, we're revealing the everyday habits that could be damaging your hair, and what to do instead to get healthier, stronger, and shinier hair naturally. Habit number 1. Overwashing your hair. Many people think washing their hair every day keeps it clean and fresh. But overwashing strips away the natural oils that protect your hair, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Most hair types only need washing 2 to 3 times a week, unless you sweat heavily or use a lot of styling products. Habit number 2. Using heat every day. Daily blow drying, straightening, or curling weakens the hair shaft over time. Heat breaks down the proteins that make your hair strong, and the damage builds up quickly. If you need heat styling, always use a heat protectant spray, and keep tools on the lowest effective temperature. Habit number 3. Tight hairstyles. Ponytails, slick buns, and tight braids look neat, but they pull on your hair roots. Over time, this tension can lead to breakage, or even traction alopecia, a type of hair loss caused by repeated pulling. Let your hair rest regularly with looser styles. Habit number 4. Brushing wet hair. Wet hair is at its weakest. Brushing it immediately after showering can cause major breakage. Instead, gently detangle with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up. Habit number 5. Sleeping on cotton pillowcases. Cotton absorbs moisture and creates friction as you sleep, which means more frizz, tangles, and breakage in the morning. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase helps your hair glide instead of snag, keeping it smooth and hydrated. Habit number 6. Ignoring scalp health. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. If you have buildup, dandruff, or a dry itchy scalp, your hair growth can slow down. Regular gentle exfoliation, scalp massages, and suitable treatments can boost blood circulation and improve growth. Habit number 7. Using the wrong hair products. Not all products work for every hair type. Using shampoos with harsh sulfates or heavy silicones can cause dryness or buildup, depending on your hair needs. Learn your hair type, oily, dry, curly, straight, fine, or thick, and choose products that match it. Habit number 8. Poor diet and low hydration. Your hair is a reflection of what you eat. A diet low in protein, iron, zinc, or essential vitamins can lead to thinning, dryness, and slow growth. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and include foods like eggs, nuts, salmon, spinach, berries, and whole grains. Hair-friendly tips. To protect your hair long-term, wash less often. Use heat protectant. Try silk pillowcases. Deep condition weekly. Treat your scalp with care. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Small changes make a big difference. Your daily habits can either weaken your hair or transform it. Start applying these simple changes today, and your hair will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.